Hello everyone. Today I noticed this post, Reddit post. Okay, it is about Google search for the words how many days are in August. It seems that person tried to search for how many days are in August, but instead that he as a typo he typed as how many days are in August. But for that the answer A overview from Google is there are two D's in the word August. It's completely wrong answer, right? Actually, it should be zero. When I tried in my machine from google.com, I got different answer. In the word August, there is one D. But when I tried without quotes, it is taking as days only. So I just included that apostrophe. After that, it was showing in the word August there is one D. But later on, after a few minutes, I tried again. That time it correctly said there is no D in August, like that. Okay. So it's really it's not that much surprising because we already know that, right? AI is not reliable, but it is happening at the Google homepage itself, right? So they should be having some mechanism to prevent hallucination, this kind of hallucination, right? If they are suspecting hallucination, they should avoid showing overview. That is what my suggestion. We already know about how many hours in Strawberry that kind of things were going on for a long time, right? But somehow ChatGPT is able to now fix that kind of stuff, but it is happening with the Google. That means it is internally using Gemini, right? So Gemini is prone to this kind of error still, but ultimately AI is not reliable. I just wanted to convey that message. That is why I created this video. But many people are discussing about from technical perspective. A lot of discussions are going on in this Reddit thread itself. We can go through that if you are interested. Basically, everyone is talking about this tokenization. Since it is working based on tokenization, they are saying that the August may not be in same token. It may be in different thing, like that they are explaining. But when I tried here, it is the tokenization is happening in this way only. August is in separate token. Okay. But I don't know. It is from OpenAI. Gemini may be working in different way. Okay. So ultimately, here I wanted to highlight that AI results are unreliable. Everyone knows that. I just wanted to highlight the risks of using AI overview from Google. Okay. So don't hesitate to spend additional few minutes for going through actual search results and clicking that links and reach the original or source website. Okay, that is the best way for any kind of thing. Don't rely on it. This is obviously wrong things, so we are able to understand. Suppose if we are not knowing the actual answer, we are trying to get answers, that time we may be in a trap of using incorrect answers. That will be that impacts will be there, right? Yep. Okay, so always avoid using AI results for important things. Okay, that is what I wanted to highlight. Okay, everywhere the disclaimers are there. Don't use it for medical health, like that, but we need to take additional care. We need to avoid any kind of AI usage in important things. Okay. Thanks.